Hi, stamping friends. I'm here today to share with you a couple of tips on where you're going to find our location to post your challenge pictures for your challenge projects with our Stamp and Staycation. We thought that perhaps if I did this and had it posted for you, it would help alleviate a lot of how do I do this and where do I go kind of thing. So I'm doing this short video to try and help you out. I am going to show you where to find it here on our Facebook group page. Then I'm going to show you what the images are going to look like for each of the challenges. And then I do have some screenshots for an iPad version, which is a little bit different as to where you find it. You still find the same elements on the Stampin' Up! Group page, but it just looks a little bit different. So I've done some screenshots there for you. Couldn't figure out how to do a Zoom video on that one. So anyway, as you come into Facebook, you'll notice a whole different look in Facebook. If you haven't been on it very much since September 1st, Facebook did change their whole system, or their whole look of things, not their whole system, on September 1st. And that has caused a little bit of difference to be happening here and whatever. So when you come into the group, you'll find our Stamping Staycation header. Most of you have been there and looked at a few things and joined in our discussions and whatever, so that's really great. So as you scroll down, you will see announcements first, and those are things that we have more or less pinned to the top of the page, so they're there where you can find them easily. And then as you scroll a little bit farther, you're going to find this section that says popular topics in posts. And we've set up challenge posts, project tutorials, and tip videos. So they will be grouped together in those locations. So when you go to post your challenge pictures, you will go into challenge posts here, and that will bring you to this screen. Hi again. I'm here now to show you where you can post your challenge pictures or how to post them. I had shown you where before. Go into topics, pick challenge posts. And when you get in there, you will find a screen similar to this that says what the challenge is. And below it, you will pick on comments. It will allow you to post your comment, and over here there's a little camera. Click on that to pick your picture from wherever it's going to be. And when you click on that, it will post it. You can write something about it and hit enter, and that will post it under the applicable challenge. So hopefully that makes sense to you, and we look forward to seeing all of them. Hi, stamping friends. Here is a video of my iPad at our Stamp and Staycation Facebook group, and further to the one I just recently did for my PC laptop. I want to show you how I refresh the screen on my iPad, and hopefully again it will help you with being up to date, getting live streaming when we're actually doing it to this Facebook page. So normally what I would do to refresh my screen, I've got it on here, and if you watch just up here in the upper corner, you'll see a little wheel kind of thing turn. I will go in a little bit closer when it happens so you can see, and that is refreshing the page.
So all I did was just put your finger on it, grab it, and pull it down, and that should refresh the page so that you have the most recent things happening on that page. Hopefully that helps you, and you're having a great day.